The Steam Deck is an absolute monster due to how much it can do for such a low price. Here we actually are looking at a very powerful system that you can pick up for $400 and can play just about everything in your Steam library. So right here, I wanted to go ahead and test out two of the most demanding games in my library, both being two Final Fantasy games, Final Fantasy 15 and the 7 Remake. So how can a handle like this handle games with this much demand to run? Well, performance isn't perfect, but it absolutely is beautiful. For example, with Final Fantasy 7 Remake, it runs at around 30 FPS with high settings at 720p, and it is beyond playable. The game looks great and runs great for just $400. This is a huge win already. And even when rendering full open world games like Final Fantasy 15, everything looks fantastic and just runs really well, which is going to be really fantastic to me. The Steam Deck is just really well equipped to run just about everything on the Steam library, I would say. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you all later.